Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix your advertising access is restricted Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix the issue that you are having, first what you need to do is open up your Facebook, and once you open it, tap on the menu icon, and once you're here, scroll down and then tap on help and support, and then select the option that says report a problem. And now all you gotta do is just continue to report, and here tap on don't include in report, scroll down until you find the pages option, simply tap on that, and here tap on the take screenshot option and simply screenshot the problem that you are currently facing. And once you are done with that, here what you need to type is explain the problem that you are facing. That might be, hello, my advertising access is restricted, please help me solve this issue, or something like this. And once you're done, all you gotta do now is just tap on send on the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on send, after a couple of days Facebook will reach you and probably fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching, bye bye.